channel. Today I am doing a day in the life because it is my son's homecoming and we're having people over and it's kind of an exciting day. So, he's fussing. We're on our way to go pick up some things that I forgot as per usual. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Sammy. So yeah, come along with me.
So this vlog is basically a Speedy vlog with music and me doing voiceover because I don't know how to vlog very well and I forget to actually talk to the camera. I don't know, I just need to learn how to do things better, but you can come along with me as I clean and food prep and get ready for my son's homecoming for that evening. He looks so handsome. I have a picture of him at the end of the video, so hopefully you enjoy. Dealing with gnats or fruit flies this time of year. I cannot stand it. I wish they would just go away already. So we're using our electric swatters to sort of get rid of them before company comes over. The tiny fridge that came original to the house, so we use the space beside the refrigerator to store paper towels. You know, you gotta maximize that storage where you can. So here I am making the hors d'oeuvres, as I like to call it, which is just Hidden Valley Ranch for our ripple chips and some Tostitos with salsa and a veggie tray, because we fancy. To get his suit ready for homecoming and iron it. I only have this tiny little ironing board on my bed that I work with. I hate ironing, but I want him to look his best, and I think it turned out pretty good. Making the best chicken and dumpling recipe I have ever found in the Instant Pot. I will link the recipe in the description box below. You should try it out. It is delicious. It is so good. After I finish making the dumplings in this little bit, that's pretty much it. I show you the finished product, and then I got busy with people because they came over early and I felt like I had to give them my full attention instead of trying to record myself. But I did leave a picture of me and my son and my husband at the end of the video so you can see him all dressed up and looking so handsome. And this is the finished product. It doesn't look like much, but I swear it's delicious. And there's my handsome boy. He had a great time. It was a great day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.